Guy down, Wimbledon down, Bremner on his feet, and surely now through to a match against Derby County in round 5. And just played within the corner. Eddie Gray. Superb run that's gone 9 matches and which ends in defeat by the league champions. Wimbledon's story comes to an end, but they go off to tremendous applause, which is deserved even greater in this, their last defeat, than in perhaps all the success that they've had before. We came to look at them, we wondered whether they might in the finish be annihilated. We've stayed to admire the skills that have got them so far and the determination that made the league champions fight every inch of the way. Well done, Wimbledon, it's been great to watch.
Over 45,000 people paid over £30,000 to see this match tonight, and they really got their money's worth. But how unlucky it was for Wimbledon, who tried as hard as they could, but in 180 minutes against Leeds, only gave away 1 goal, and that as a result of a deflection. The unluckiest thing that can happen to a goalkeeper. Dickie Guy, their hero, is indeed a brilliant goalkeeper, but nobody can do anything about this kind of thing. The ball's going wide, it hits Dave Bassett's knee, and Guy dives across to the left, appeals to the heavens, why did this have to happen to me? But he needn't be ashamed of his performance, and neither need Dave Bassett blame himself for that happening. Really, one was interested in seeing the difference between the league champions and a non-league side from the Southern League. Up to now, Wimbledon had closed that gap, and tonight I think Leeds illustrated that there is a gap, as there should be. But Wimbledon made it very close indeed. I think the signs are that Leeds are not quite the side that they were of old. They're not balanced up front, and they don't carve out chances as they should do. Johnny Giles held them together when they may have fallen apart. So Wimbledon have got one bit of good news. They've made £34,000 out of this run, and that means it's their overdraft cleared. So they're in credit at the bank, and they can go on from there with a very, very good team indeed. Now, other good news for South London, really.